Greetings, New Zealand whānau. The Ngāti challenges the coalition's superficial attempts at change, revealing a deeper colonial agenda. It's time to address these systemic issues and uphold Te Tiriti o Waitangi. The coalition government fails to enact meaningful change, perpetuating systemic racism. Their inaction speaks volumes about their true agenda, as highlighted in the NZCPR State of the Nation 2025 newsletter, which reeks of colonial entitlement. The coalition's disdain for Te Reo Maori in public broadcasting exposes their agenda to erase Maori culture. This violates Article 2 of Te Tiriti o Waitangi, which guarantees Maori the right to protect our language. The newsletter misrepresents Hapu'apua, a report on New Zealand's obligations under the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples. The coalition's pledge to halt Puapua is an attack on Maori sovereignty. Incorporating Te Konga Maori into the legal system is an opportunity for justice, not a threat. It reflects Aotearoa's bicultural nature, contrary to the newsletter's dismissive stance. The coalition's approach is harmful to Aotearoa's democracy. True partnership and recognition of Maori sovereignty are essential for a just society. Stand together for an equitable Aotearoa.